Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi on Ring app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to fix the issue that you are having, what you need to do is just simply scroll down the notification bar and the control center and then check to see if your Wi-Fi is working properly or not. Sometimes the weaker Wi-Fi also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply changing your Wi-Fi connection to the stronger one will fix the issue. But if you are still having this issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you are here, scroll down and tap on general, and once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. And now once you're inside iPhone storage, here what you need to do is locate the Ring app. Let me just assume this photos is the Ring app, and once you're inside there, this Instagram is the Ring app, and once you're inside here, you'll be provided with two options, that is upload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is try again, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.